In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make passive income with ChatGPT and make as much as $3,000 per month. Now in this video, you will find proof that I actually do what I teach, unlike other YouTubers that show you how to do something without doing it themselves, which is strange, huh? This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial backed up by my personal results, and all of the tools inside this video are free to use by anyone. Now before I hop into my computer, make sure to smash the like button below to support this channel, and also subscribe if you're new, because I upload transparent videos just like this every week on my channel, so there's no reason why you shouldn't be subscribed. Now also make sure to comment down below your monthly income goal for 2023. I'm really curious to see those numbers. And now that we have everything out of the way, let's hop right in. So the first step is to open a new tab and search for chat.openai.com. Now this is the secret tool that we are going to be using to do all of the hard work for us. So let me explain how this tool works. So you can give this tool any command. For example, you can give this tool a command to create a course outline for affiliate marketing. Okay, let's do something like this and search for enter. So now the tool is going to create a course outline for affiliate marketing, right? So we can have all of the modules and lessons. So as you can see, the first module would be introduction to affiliate marketing, and these are the 3 lessons inside that module. The second module will be finding and joining affiliate programs, right? The third module will be building your affiliate marketing platform. The fourth module would be driving traffic to the affiliate links. And as you can see, this tool does some amazing work, and it will even give you the lessons that you should add in your course. So you can really see the amount of value that this tool provides, and it's 100% for free to use. Now you can do anything with this outline. You can create an ebook, a course, you can monetize this online, you can do whatever you want, guys, and you can start making money. Now this is just the outline for our ebook, right? Let's just say we're going to be making an ebook and selling it online. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second and how much you can expect to make in passive income. But first of all, we have our ebook outline. All right, now it's time to get the actual script for the ebook, right? The content. So as you can see, the first module teaches introduction to affiliate marketing, right? So you can give this tool another command, write more about definition about history affiliate marketing. All right, so you can do something like write more about the definition, or we can actually paste it inside there. So hit enter, and as you can see, the tool will write more about this topic, right? So about this lesson. So now you can include this entire article inside the lesson. So affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each customer or visitor. So now that you have the first module, you have the first lesson, you even have the content for this lesson. So as you can see, this is absolutely mind-blowing on how much value this tool provides, and it will create an awesome ebook that you can easily sell for $50 online within a couple of minutes, right? So this is the first step, creating the actual outline and gathering all of the content for our ebook. So now it's time to turn this entire course outline with the lessons and the content into an actual ebook. But before I do that, I want to show you guys how much you can expect to make. Now this is my System.io dashboard, and these are one of my ebooks that I'm actively selling online using short form content on social media like TikTok and Instagram. Now don't worry guys, if you don't want to promote your ebook or your course on social media, then you can use a website like Udemy, or you can use a website like Amazon KDP, and they will promote the ebook for you, right? And you can start making money. This is completely up to you, but I rather do all the marketing myself, since I already have a lot of experience with marketing online. Now I was able to make about $2,500 in December with an average cart value of $350. Now bear in mind, this is an advanced affiliate marketing funnel with upsells, downsells, and etc. So I make much more per page view. So as you can see, I earn $8 per page view. Now yours is going to be a much lower and a more simple funnel. So let me show you guys how you're gonna go about this. So open a new tab and search for Canva, right? Canva is a it's like a designing tool, and you can design, ebooks, ebook covers, you can do A4 letters, you can whatever you want with this tool. So you can search something like ebook, right? You can search this, and this tool will give you all sorts of different templates for your ebook, right? So this tool is amazing, and it will also save you so much time and effort while creating your ebook and converting it from an article to the actual ebook. So you can scroll down and you can, here are your categories, your business, social media, video marketing, custom prints, whatever, and you can really choose the theme that you like, right? So for this instance, since we have an affiliate marketing ebook, I'm going to choose this template, right, and open it in a new tab. So as you can see, all you have to do is now change the heading. So this is all basic drag and drop. I've already done this beforehand, so this video isn't too long, but all you have to do is just double click on where you want to change text. All right, so for example, how to, you can just, type anything you want, right? You can change the font, you can change the font size, you can change it from bold, italic, super simple to use. Anyone can use this. If you want to change the image, all you have to do is click on it, right? Delete this, go to elements and search for an image that you like. All right, so marketing. Go to graphics. Now just click on any of these images, right? Now you can just drag it down. Awesome. So this is our awesome ebook cover. And now you want to fill your ebook with content from ChatGPT, right? So first of all, you want to do module number 1, which is introduction to affiliate marketing. So all you have to do is just add a blank page, add chapter 1 here, and in the center or whatever you like, you can do chapter, you can do introduction to affiliate marketing, or you can drag it up and you can add an image down below, right? So something like this. So make sure to make it engaging, nice looking, and that people enjoy reading this ebook. So chapter 1, introduction to affiliate marketing, right? So this is chapter number 1, and now you want to add lesson 1, right? So definition and history would be lesson 1. So you can scroll down, and here you can add lesson 1, right? Now you can add a lesson above this, so people know that this is the first lesson, just like this. Drag this down and make this bold. All right, so lesson 1, definition and history of affiliate marketing, right? And now all you have to do now is just, write more about the definition of history of affiliate marketing and just copy and paste this entire article inside your ebook. So all of this is basic copy, right, and paste. Copy, second one, and paste. So once you have the first lesson, now it's time to go to the second lesson. All right, so how affiliate marketing works. So lesson 2, copy paste, right? The second lesson would be how affiliate marketing works. Type it inside there, make it bold, and then once again go back to ChatGPT, write more about how affiliate marketing works. Enter, and once again copy and paste. This is all super basic stuff. Anyone can do this. Both of these tools are free, and you're gonna have an awesome looking ebook that you can easily sell online. So once again, just copy and paste this entire article inside your ebook. And once you have all the content inside the ebook, your ebook should be about 100 pages long, or even 150, based on how many modules and lessons you have in your niche. But based on this outline, I guess that the ebook will have about 150 pages, which gives out so much value. And this can be done in, let's just say, 20 or 30 minutes. And then you can just monetize it online and start selling your ebook. So once you're satisfied with your ebook, now you can save it to your desktop as a PDF file, right? So click on save, download, and download it as a PDF standard with all pages. So you should have about 100 pages if you've just complete the entire ebook, and click on download, right? I'm gonna save it to my desktop. So now I'm gonna show you how to sell this ebook online and make $2,500 or $3,000 per month easily, passive income. So the hard work is now complete. We have our ebook. It's wonderful. It looks nice. It gives out lots of value. And I'm sure that whoever is reading this ebook will find it so much helpful, and they will learn a lot of new things, right? So now you can sell it online. So the first way to do it is go to Amazon KDP, right? Let me show you how this works. So Amazon KDP means self-publishing, and you can add your ebook, your PDF file, or in paperbacks to Amazon for free, and they will market and sell your ebook. So all you have to do is just upload it, upload the cover, and add your pricing. So if it's gonna be like $5 or $10, it's just completely up to you. You can test out the first one and add a price of like $5, okay, and see how it goes. But based on my stats, I've done this in the past. This is like one of the first ways I've made money online successfully, right? I remember that first paycheck that came in. Let me show you guys, lifetime. This is like back in 2016 when I was just starting out. I didn't know what to do, and I made my first $1,000 just with this strategy alone. Right now, obviously it's going to take some time, and it's going to take you a lot of ebooks to upload. As you can see, I have like 13 ebooks here, and all of these ebooks are making me money actively. Well, not that much today, but they used to make me a good amount of passive income per month. But yeah, you can see that I have ebooks in all of these different niches, and back then I had to write them myself, right? I needed to check out blog posts, YouTube videos, and write them myself. But now with the ChatGPT tool, I would push out like 5 ebooks every single day, right? If I'd uploaded 5 ebooks every day to Amazon KDP in every single niche, I can promise you guys that I'd be making $3K per month easily, right? Within a few months, easily. All you have to do is just publish ebooks in every single niche that you can find, right? Using ChatGPT, and then just sit back and watch all the sales rolling in. I know this might sound skeptical, but guys, this is not rocket science. If you upload 100 ebooks to Amazon KDP, there's a high chance that they're gonna start selling just because you have 100 ebooks on Amazon. So using the power of ChatGPT, you can start making ebooks and pushing them out there to Amazon KDP. Now, another way to sell your ebook online is by using Gumroad. Now, they will take 10% of all your sales, right? So if your ebook is $10, they will take $1, right? And they will host the ebook for you, but you have to market the ebook yourself. So let me show you how this looks. So go to dashboard, right? As you can see, I've sold some ebooks in the past. Go to products, right? Go to new product and click on ebook. And all you have to do is just upload it, add the title, description, and so on. So we'll add the name, right? So affiliate marketing. All right, so how to make money with affiliate marketing, add your price. You can do like $9.95 or whatever you are comfortable with, and upload it, okay? But now once you have the ebook uploaded, you need to get traffic to this ebook, because it's not just gonna sell by itself like on Amazon. You need to go to a website like TikTok or Instagram or Facebook Reels or YouTube and start promoting the ebook with a link in your bio. So this is what I'm doing with my TikTok profile. I'm creating videos about how to make money online, and then I would recommend the ebook as a way to, learn about affiliate marketing. So I would create short videos like this. Let me show you guys. All right. So 2 years ago, I decided to learn affiliate marketing. I quit my job in March 2021, and I basically shared my story. I didn't even talk in the video, and at the end, you can see link in bio to learn more about what I do. So as you can see, click the link in my bio to learn how. And this way I'm sending people to my website that I want to, promote. So this can be your ebook, your course, your affiliate product, whatever you want, guys. But with this strategy, I showed you how to create an ebook using ChatGPT, and you can either upload it on Amazon or Gumroad and then promote it yourself. Now, obviously, you don't have to show your face. You can create a theme page like this, affiliate. You can type for affiliate, and you can create a theme page like this, for example, and you can post motivational type content, and then you can, promote your affiliate link in your bio. So I recommend doing both. Upload ebooks to Amazon KDP, but also try to promote them yourself, right? Using TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, whatever you are comfortable with. You don't have to show your face if you don't have to. You can use theme pages just like this, and this will work just fine. So this is how I make about $2,500 per month using the strategy. This works both with online courses and ebooks. It doesn't matter. Obviously, you cannot, charge $1,000 for an ebook. You can charge about $50 to $100 for the ebook, and it's gonna sell without a problem if it has the value. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found value and you're gonna try out this method, because it really does work, and I have proven it to you inside this video. with my Amazon account and my System.io account, right? So this works both ways. It's completely up to you. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button below to support this channel and subscribe. As I mentioned, we are posting videos just like this every single week. So if you are not subscribed, you're missing out on a lot of free awesome content. And also make sure to comment down below if you're going to try out this method. I'm really curious to see if you guys are going to take action on this strategy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.